So we had a bit of a leak on this window. We changed the seals and that normally does it, but it kept coming through. So we called a window specialist out, and they drilled some of these plugs, little holes in the front here. But if we pour the water on there, it was actually bridging to the back and not sideways. So we've added some rear holes here. We got them back out, and we poured some water on and got them to add some rear holes here, but it still leaked. Now, we hadn't actually put a hole at the back over here, and if water was getting through this front here, as you can see, it wasn't actually going uphill to the drain hole that had been made in the front. It was bridging backwards, and because this foot's here, this little foot clamp, it couldn't make it along to the right, so it's filling up here and overflowing in the centre here. But now we're hoping, with some added ones there, that we've got it. Fingers crossed, 8th time's a charm.